Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Armadu from Electrical Branch and have recently opened the YouTube channel on the electrical teaching works. And before watching the video, please subscribe my channel and like and comment and support me for more videos. So before going to our topic, let us learn about electric current. What is meant by electricity or electric current? The electric current means the flow of electrons in a closed circuit in a closed circuit is known as electric current. Yes, it is. Is it? So, how does this electricity is generated, and what the process it takes? So, there are many types of power plants. There are thermal power plant, hydro power plant, and solar power plant, and more and more. So, let us learn about hydroelectric power plant. Okay. Yes, it is the hydroelectric power plant. Let us know what is hydroelectric power plant. So, introduction. The hydroelectric power plant refers to energy or electricity generated by energy of falling or flowing of water. The potential energy of water due to its high location is converted into electrical energy. Means the hydroelectric power plant is the energy that is used to generate the electricity by flowing of water or falling of water by high potential to the low potential, where the from high from the high potential the water is falling, and near the down position there is a turbine where when the water is falling from the high location to the low location, the turbines get rotation, and the mechanical energy converted into electrical energy. So let us see where these electric hydroelectric power plants were used. 25% of electricity generation capacity in the world it is provided by the hydroelectric power plant. See, in the world there is 25% of electricity generation capacity by using hydroelectric power plant, and 32% total electricity capacity is produced by hydroelectric power plant. See, in all over the world, the 32% total electricity capacity is generated by using only hydroelectric power plants. So next we come to know about construction. See how the construction is building. There is dam, reservoir, surge tank, pressure tunnel, valve house, penstock, power station, tile race. So let us see what their components. The components are, see, reservoirs, dams, inlet gates, penstocks, surge tanks, turbine and generator. So let us know the working of the hydroelectric power plant. See, let us observe the picture and see how the electricity is generated by using hydroelectric power plant. The reservoir. The reservoir means where this hydroelectric power plant were generated near the rivers areas, like where the rivers water are flowing, the rivers were placed there, the reservoirs are placed. So for the to when the reservoirs are placed, all water is flowing from the rivers come and store at one place, it is called reservoir. So it will store in the reservoir, and dam is used to control the water by using gas gates. So see here dam near, let us observe the dam here. So see here we observing dam, here the gates are placed. It is used to open and close the doors when the water is needed, we should open, and we want to close when the floods or any we do not need water, we close the doors. And here the net is placed so that no any dirt or any dirty or any things will not come from the net. So in the dam, so here we observing the pipe where here we observing the pipe. This pipe is used to flow the water from this pipe, and the surge tank, the water come when the gate is opened, the water flowing to it, and the surge tank we should The surge tank is used to wait. Here we observing the surge tank. The surge tank is used to control the pressure. When the gate are open, the water flows to this like, and the valve where the valve house is used to open and close the water taps. Like when we use it to rotate the tap, the water flows, and we close, the water does not flows. Like that, the valve house is used to control the water flow. Okay. So when we open the gates, the the water will flow through the valve house. So suddenly the pressure, this is the pressure tunnel. So the water, once the water released, it comes and pressure it. So it can damage the valve house, this inlet gates. So for the for to does not damage the valve house, we used the surge tank. When the water is when the gate is opened, the water flows through it, and it will go back to surge tank, and it will go to surge tank, the water will go to surge tank. So we can control the pressure, and slowly we open the valve at valve house, that is inlet gates. The inlet gates, we open the taps, so the water flows through it. And after sometimes after opening the water outlets, the water flows to penstock. The water flows to penstock, and uh, this penstock is placed 1 kilometer 1 kilometer from inlet gate. It is in high potential, and the turbines where, see, it is the inlet gates is in this place, and the turbines were placed in this side. So from here to here 1 kilometer is there. Yes. So this penstock is used to pass the water from up potential to the down potential. So in this power station, there is a turbine. See the turbine, do you know turbine? This is the turbine. So when here one shaft is present, and here generator is placed. See, here generator is placed. So when the penstock, the water flows through it, the turbine here, the water flowing through it gets it kinetic energy. So water flows on turbine, the water coming and, see, water coming and falling on the turbine, and it starts rotating. When it starts rotating, and when start it's generating, it's for the turbine, there is a shaft which is placed to generator. When the turbine is placed, when the turbine is rotates, the kinetic energy form into the mechanical energy. So that the mechanical energy converted into the electrical energy. The generator is used to become the use is used to convert the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. So once we observe that, here we came to know that here potential energy, and here the potential energy reached here. And next after that, the here the kinetic energy came, the water flows through it and falling on the turbine, the turbine gets rotate, and then the turbine is attached to the generator. So when the turbine gets rotated, it converts the kinetic energy into the mechanical energy. Then it's connected to the shaft. The turbine is connected to the shaft, and shaft is connected to the generator. So the turbine converts kinetic energy into the mechanical energy, and after that, the the generator is used to convert the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. So like that, the electricity is generated in the hydroelectric power plant. So see, once again we see. Oh, wait. So see, let us observe. um, Here the turbines are placed and the generator is placed. So when the water is used to rotate in the turbine, the water goes back to tail race, and it is used to go back water from again to reservoir by using some motors. So the this it is a continuous process, and it can generate more power. It is generated DC power and converted it into AC power by using transformers. So this is the hydroelectric power plant. Let us observe what is the advantages and disadvantages of it. If see once, we will observe it. See,
Next, we have seen once working we should read. It is a power generated by water using its gravitational force when it is falling or flowing. Means when the water is flowing through when the water is flowing through the components, it gets some gravitational force and electricity is generated or power is generated. The water is moved from higher elevation point to lower elevation point through a large pipe. We saw now one penstock. The penstock is placed in high potential to the low potential, lower elevation to higher elevation to lower elevation. The water is moved from it and it goes to turbine, and the turbine gets rotated. At the end there is a turbine and water spins it, which moves the shaft that moves the generator making electricity. See, once again we read. At the end there is a turbine and water spins in it, which moves the shaft that moves the generator. As we have listened it, when the turbine is rotated, when by using the water, the shaft is placed to the turbine and the generator attached to it. The the generator makes the electricity. This is how the plant changes potential energy of standing water to kinetic energy by moving it, converting into mechanical energy, which produces electricity. Yes, we came to know also working. Next, we should observe advantages. The advantages of hydroelectric power plant are: cost for different plants vary. A typical 5 kilowatts scheme suitable for plant cost about 25,000 pounds. Means the cost of different plants vary. When 5 kilowatts, the plant cost is 25,000 pounds. Is for it is it is low cost, and once installed plants can sorry it is a plants here printing mistake. It's a plants. Once installed plants can last up to 42 to 50 years with low maintenance and running cost. See, once we install the hydroelectric power plant, it can up to 40 to 50 years and more, and it is there is no maintenance, low maintenance and running cost. So, and it is free from pollution because there is no any fossil fuels we have used, and any fuels we have not used that gets pollution. So only with water we are producing the electricity, so it is free from pollution. Disadvantages. Let us know disadvantages. If there is no rainfall, no water will collect upstream, less water flows through and less electricity is generated. See, once again we see, if there is in rainy season the water will we get more and we can generate more water, but in summer there is no rainfall, is it? So there is no rainfall, some no water will be there. I think there is some water, so there is a chances of low water flows, and we know that when the water is less, the electricity also gets less. So installation, another disadvantage is installation cost is high. Installation means when we going to place the when we are going to generate hydroelectric power plant, the installation cost is more. And uh, another disadvantage is commonly found in highly hilly areas. Means we, because of it is placed, it is generated near the hilly areas. It for the transmission of the wires from hilly areas to the consumers, it can be get more cost. As it is near hilly areas. From there to consumers, we should transmit the generated power. It can be get more cost, and this can lead to heavy cost. These are the advantages and disadvantages. So let us see conclusion. From today's class, we came to know about introduction of hydroelectric power plant, yes, and its construction, working, advantages and disadvantages. So if you have any doubts or questions, you can comment me and I will clarify your doubts. If it is clarified in comment, I can clarify in comment. No means I will make another video. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.